US sun visors in a Del Sol. They don't do anything. Some people hate them, other people don't mind them. We're gonna take them out. I got some JDM ones, so let's do that. So long, visors. All right, so I mean, it's kind of the same, but it's kind of not the same. These are way nicer because they have these hinges and whatnot, and these rotate up. You can flip them out. You can do so much more with these actual JDM visors than anything else. But we still have to replace all of this because it's specific to these little doodads and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and swap these out today, clean up what we need to do. So yeah, let's get these bad boys off. All right, so what makes this a little hard if you don't have it is you gotta get all these off. These little tabs here, and there's some in there and right here. But what makes these hard is they are star drill bit, looking for the word star, I don't know, star screws. Well, I don't know what those are called, but that's what they are. So you got to have one of those to get these off. So let's get those off first. All right, so like 100 years later, I was actually able to find my star bit. Yeah, I got stuff everywhere and I couldn't find it. So now we can get these little doodads out of there, and this will just boop, come right down. So let's do that. My terrible ass drill, I guess, needs to be charged. So guess I'm gonna go charge that guy. Off to a great start on the vlog. All right, and we're back. All right, don't lose these guys either, because they're pretty hard to get. No matter where you try and look, they're probably gonna cost you some amount of money, and they might not be very nice. All right, so you should have 4 of these guys, which I don't have, but I have extra ones up there, and 4 screws, and it should pop out just like that. So that's how you get those out. So we need to get this guy out too. All right, so this is kind of crazy. I took off the driver's side sun visor, and a note was underneath them from the previous owner. Must have been a lady. It says, "Dear Anka, thanks for working with me tonight. What a fun night you made it. You are amazing, bubbly, and such a warm heart. I'm glad you are following your dreams. You give me inspiration. Carpe diem, Kelsey." Kind of crazy, huh? Like, whoever owned this Del Sol last must have been a lady, I guess. And she put that note in there for some reason. I don't know. That's crazy. Because I've never taken those off until right now. So, crazy stuff you find in old Del Sols, huh? All right, so next up, what you got to do is you got to get this part off. So there should be 2 screws. 1 screw here and 1 screw here, which I don't have a screw there for some reason. But these will pop out once you get those screws out. So let's get those screws out real quick. Next one here is we got this pillar trim piece. And I'm pretty sure, unless I see any screws, which I don't, I think they just come out like the other one. So yeah, let's take that little nugget out now. Let's see if I can get the camera in there. Again, watch your seals. Yep, yep. Careful so you don't ruin anything. Good. Good. Good, we're good. Good. Oh, okay. Sweet. I also don't see any rust in there either. Just a little dusty, but windshield seal looks good. Does look like this was re-welded though, which is kind of interesting. I got some new welds in there, maybe from the previous owner or something. We do have a little bit of rust down there, so I'm gonna clean that out. But it doesn't look like it's anything too crazy. Just trying to get that down in there so you guys can see that. But yeah, that looks like... See, this looks all OEM up here. See how that all looks nice and neat from the factory? But then you get down to like here. Looks like somebody did something to that sometime. Which leads me to believe that... I don't know. Maybe the windshield was leaking at one time and they got a new one. I don't know. Huh, interesting. But, so, we need to get that one out now too. Alright, so let me show you the difference here. This one is the US pillar, and it looks like this. It's got a huge kind of hole right there. This is the JDM one, and it doesn't have this huge hole right here, and it has this little circle where one of these guys go right here, which it'll go in there, and this goes in your sun visor, and it allows it to swivel and do a whole bunch of stuff. So on the US one, we don't have anywhere for this thing to rest and kind of catch like that. So that's why when you do this, you got to have all the pieces, or else it's just not going to work. So if you want to get these, make sure you get the whole kit here, because you need the whole kit and not just like one or two pieces. So just FYI. All right, so let's get this guy back in there. Just gonna go right in there, just like how it came out. We're gonna put all these little tab marks in here, into those holes. Kind of shove it down in there, get the first one lined up, and then they all should just go right back into place like so. There we go. This one has got to go up in there a little bit. Okay, and we're in. Sorry about the camera work there, but yeah, you just shove those right back in. So we got all the trim back in. Now you've got your visor, and you got two screws and one little thing, and you're gonna see it's gonna go right up in there, and then it'll kind of suck all this back up once it's in place. So because you got your 2 screws here, your 1 thing right in the middle, and then this will kind of do that. So let's get that set up, I guess. Don't know where to put my camera for this. Let's maybe do that, see if that'll work. Hopefully this doesn't come out all awful, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, that might work. Okay, we got 2 screws. Oh god. And again, these are the star screws. So get your other drill bit or drill. And this one, I believe, should go right up in this hole here. Yep, and it sucked it right up. And this is the wrong one. Did I put this in the wrong? Yes, my bad. Wrong one. Fail. All right, hold on. All right, rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. I had them in the wrong way. So we gotta switch those out and it'll be fine. Okay. All right, dope. Look at that. They're on. I like them. Those are pretty slick. Got the trim all in. Pretty easy install, guys. Not bad. All right, well, shoot, super easy install. It took me like an hour, but I also had to shoot this vlog. So I don't know, maybe half-hour install. Remember, you need a star screw bit as well as a regular screwdriver, and that's it. You just need to pop off some trim. Make sure you clean up what's ever underneath there, and yeah, those are dope. I love them. Solid upgrade. Thanks to the guys over in Romania, JDM Del Sols. Check them out on Instagram. I got some stuff on my camera there. They were the ones that got me these. Super nice of them. I'll always be grateful to those guys over there. So thank you again. Hope this helps you guys. Like I said, easy install. Anyone can do it. So all right, guys, have a good weekend. Peace.